guys, welcome back to my channel. So today my bestie Lindsay is back and we are going to show you guys how I like to take my clients from dark back to blonde for springtime. Jumping right into today's video, I'm using my new favorite lightener, Goldwell Oxycur with 20 volume and a 16th ounce of the liquid gold Olaplex. We're going to do this video vlog style.
Yay.
Alright guys, I am painting between every foil. We're using Oxycur with 20 volume and a 16th ounce of Olaplex. We bleached her hair a lot. She went darker. We took a little break, so we have to be careful and keep checking to make sure our hair stays healthy. And I'm going to do the paint between on this side too, and I'm doing it as I do each section. So stay tuned. Lindsay's hair has been bleached multiple times, and even though we took her darker for winter and gave her a little break, we can't forget that our mids and ends were once blonde. When I begin taking a client back to blonde for springtime, I usually start out the first session doing a teasy light so I can foil it quicker and be able to really keep an eye on my foils. A teasy light also gives me an idea on what direction to go to in the future sessions. With Lindsay, we took her down to a level 3, the darkest at the root area, so I know even though we use Demi permanent everywhere except the root, I need to really do fine baby lights to try to get as much lift in there as possible. We are realistic and know that we aren't going to get a white blonde today. Our goal is to at least try to achieve a caramel level 7, which is more realistic. So I decided to do baby lights but not tightly packed back to back to back with minimal subsections like I do 90% of the time. I am doing fine baby lights but leaving a little bit more hair in between each foil. So Lindsay processed for about 30-35 minutes and we lifted mostly to a level 8 with more of a 6-7 in the root area, which we expected because we used permanent color on her for gray coverage, and we all know permanent is a lot harder to kick through than Demi permanent. I am going to root smudge her using my favorite Joico Demi liquid Lumishine. You guys know I've been using this line for root toning and low lighting for years. I was using Shades EQ for root toning the last 2 months and that was good as well, but it's too translucent for my look that I like to achieve. So I'm using 4N 5NA for 15 minutes and then I will go on to tone her ends.
It's strange, you've changed, I can't recognize you anymore. Choose our paths with the heads or tails for the sake of love. Can't you just tell me what to do? I'm higher than before, not safe anymore. Since I met you, I cried.
Alright guys, so today I'm going to keep it simple and I'm going to use 3 toners, 7N, 7P, and the new 7M, which is a matte from Shades EQ. And a little trick to get all the liquid out of your bottles is to put a paper towel on them. So I want this, the majority, to be 7N. So I'm going to do 14 grams of 7M. I'm going to do 6 grams of 7P. And I'm going to do 10 grams of 7M, which is a matte. I tried this the other day on my hair and I loved it. It's very nice and ashy. 30 to 30. Alright guys, stay tuned. And look at that amazing result! It's beautiful, but most importantly, we only had 3 hairs in the brush during this process. When clients take care of their hair at home, it helps us achieve their goal in the salon. Let me know down below what you guys think. Leave video ideas as well. Subscribe and join the family because tons of great videos are on the way. Say hi, Mom. Sorry this video was pretty short. Me and Lindsay always lose track of time and forget to record. Until next time, guys, so long for now.